Hello friends, now we'll discuss about electrolysis and electrolytes. First of all, we define what is electrolyte. The substances which in fused state or in aqueous solution conduct electricity, and during conduction of electricity they form new substances are called electrolytes. And what is electrolysis? Actually, electrolysis means lysis by means of electricity. The word lysis means breaking. That means the breaking of substances with help of electricity is called electrolysis. When electrolytes are in fused state or in molten state and current is passed through the electrolyte, then at electrodes new substances are formed, and this phenomenon is known as electrolysis. Now let us give some example of electrolytes. NaCl, acidulated water, copper sulfate solution are the example of electrolysis. Now we discuss about first law of Faraday. Faraday's first law. This law states that when electricity is passed through electrolytic solution or infused electrolyte, the amount of substances deposited at the electrode is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed through it. If W is the amount of substance deposited at the electrode and Q amount of electricity is passed, then W proportional to Q. This is first law of electrolysis. Here the equivalent weight of the electrolyte is constant. That means when electricity is passed through a particular electrolyte, the amount of substance deposited at the electrode is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed through it. Now W equal to some constant Z into Q. This Z is called electrochemical equivalent weight. Now Z equal to W by Q. When Q is 1, then W is equal to Z. Then what is the definition of Z? The amount of substance deposited at the electrode, that is W, when 1 coulomb electricity is passed through the electrolytic solution, is called its electrochemical equivalent weight. And what is its unit? In CGS system, unit of electrochemical equivalent is gram coulomb inverse, and in SI system it is kilogram coulomb inverse. That means when unit amount of electricity is passed through an electrolytic solution, the amount of substance deposited at the electrode is called electrochemical equivalent weight. Now, electrochemical equivalent weight of silver is equal to 0.00118 gram coulomb inverse. What does it mean? It means when 1 coulomb electricity is passed through silver ion solution, then 0.00118 gram silver is deposited at the electrode. This is all about Faraday's first law of electrolysis. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.